Hi friends and welcome to my channel Divine Vibrations. I am Smita. Today I'll be doing a money and career reading for all of you. We have three planets, important planets that have gone direct. Venus, Jupiter, and we have Saturn which have gone direct. So these are the three planets that contribute to our finance and career. Since they are going direct, let us see how they will affect us for the next 3 months. This reading will be valid for 3 months. You can come back and look at it later, or whenever you find this reading, at that time it is meant for you. I will be doing a reading for each individual sign. I'll be picking out 4 cards for every sign and we'll give you the messages. I have these beautiful zodiac sign buttons that I'll be pulling out randomly to get which sign will go first. I'll put the timestamps in the description so you can check your particular sign there. This will be for your sun, moon as well as rising. You can check all three or you can check whichever you feel more called to at this particular time. Sometimes the sun sign resonates, sometimes moon sign resonates, and sometimes the ascendant. So for each person it will be different based on your own horoscope and your timeline and your destiny, of course. And before I proceed, I would also like to thank all my subscribers and viewers for taking the time to come to my channel. I would also request the new visitors to please subscribe so that you get intimation whenever I post a reading. Give your suggestions. I would love to interact. If something comes true, something resonates, do mention. I would love to hear from you. And if the reading resonates, do like, share and subscribe. One more announcement, I always forget to make these announcements. I'll be doing a workshop from 17th of October to 21st October. It is based on the energies of the Navratri, as we call it here in India, or the 9 days of the goddess. So we will be evoking the goddess energy in all of us. We will also be clearing karmas that we have based on our feminine energies. From childhood till now, we'll be clearing all stages of development. We will be clearing any biases of feminist or sexist energies that we carry. We will clear our sexual energies, our blocks, and anything else that is not letting us be in our goddess energy. So we will be working very hard these 5 days to clear all the blocks from our feminine energy. If you want more details, you can please contact me for that too. So now let's move to the first sign. The first sign we have is Cancer. So let me pull out the card about what you need to focus on in the next 3 months. What should be your focus in the next 3 months? We have light and love. So I feel this card is telling you to bring more light and love into your work. Somewhere you are not bringing the love into your work. You're acting out of fear or out of emotions, out of greed, or maybe out of fears, out of insecurities, or any other emotion except love and light. The universe wants you to focus on love and light at this time. Pay more attention to how you can bring more love to your work, to your place of work, to your colleagues, to your team, anyone who's around you, your vendors, your clients. Act more out of higher wisdom, act more out of unconditional love, act more out of divine guidance than the ego. Keep your ego aside. Take decisions based on love and light. If there are people going through challenges, which many of them are because of this lockdown, so keep an open heart. Allow them some grace. Help them any way you can. We are all going through a very challenging time at this time. So it is important for us all to be there for each other in this time. The universe wants you to bring love and light in your place of work or operate out of love and light. And when we do that, the universe stands behind us. Trust me, I've seen that. And that's the truth. When we operate out of love and light, the universe opens its arms to us and blesses us with a lot of abundance. Let's see how will our work and job growth turn out in the next 3 months. How will the work and job growth happen in the next 3 months for Cancer? How will the job and work growth happen for Cancer? We have the Seven of Wands. Cancer, I feel you will have to defend what you already have at this moment for the next 3 months. There may be someone who may try to challenge you or compete with you or try to take what is rightfully yours. So you will have to defend what is important to you. You will have to stand up for yourself where you're not getting recognition, where you're not getting a promotion, where you're not getting paid, or you're not getting what is rightfully due to you. You will need to stand up for yourself, make your voice heard, and protect what is yours. Okay, now let us see how will you be money wise. How will you be money wise in the next 3 months? Oh, lovely. We have the Queen of Wands. So you're going to be very comfortable. You're going to be a queen. So that makes it financially very comfortable for you. You will not have any challenges. Money wise, you will be taken care of. The universe will provide for you. And you will be able to bring passion into your work. And that will pay off well for you. When you will act out of love and life, you will be taken care of. You will have everything under control. Your money wise, you will do good. You will have all abundance. You will take care of everything. No problems at all money wise. Lovely. All my Cancerian friends, so happy for you. The next 3 months are going to be wonderful. Let's get one guidance from the Moonology deck to see what guidance the universe wants to give you for the next 3 months. You're very close to achieving your goals, the Gibbous Moon. If you're working on a project and you are looking to move forward in some, or you have been working on a project or trying to get a job or a business, this is a good time. Don't lose patience. Keep persevering, keep protecting, keep pushing forward, keep standing up for yourself, and you will very soon achieve your goals. You will very soon fulfill what you are trying to do in the last few months or maybe years also if you're working on a big project. So you're very close to achieving your goals. Don't give up. Have the faith, have the energy, work with passion, do the right thing. Don't bring your ego in between, and the universe will make things happen for you. So Cancerians, I hope you like this reading. If you did, do like, share, subscribe, and thank you for being here. Bye bye. The next thing we have is Pisces. Welcome Pisceans. Let us see what your focus needs to be in the next 3 months. What should your focus be in the next 3 months for your work? What should your focus be the next 3 months for your work? We have travel. So maybe even though there are still some restrictions on, maybe some of you have a traveling job or would have to travel because of work, and you will need to focus on your travel. Maybe you need to go out and get in touch with more clients or your vendors, or you need to travel for work, attend some meetings or seminars that you couldn't do for the last few months. So the focus for you will be on travel. I feel that you may gain more if you travel more and reach out to people, or you will gain some experience. You will learn something in your travels. Don't shy from travel, Pisceans. Go out and travel. Do the travel that you have been avoiding. So now let us see how your work or job growth will turn out in the next 3 months. You have the Three of Cups. This is a card of celebration, of enjoying whatever you have achieved. It looks like it will be good growth for you. You will have reason to enjoy with your friends and family. You will achieve whatever you wanted to do. You will have some great project. Maybe some of you will make some money. Maybe your payment with the stock will come back. So you may have some option, some achievement in the next 3 months that will give you a chance to celebrate. Wow, Pisces, good going. So let's see how will you be money wise in the next 3 months. We have the Knight of Wands. So yes, you will do well. This is again the travel card. There are 2 travel cards that you have. Probably you will travel a lot and you will achieve what you want to achieve with your travel. It will help you gain what you are trying to gain. You will make a lot of money. A knight is also a very well kept person. I think you will travel, and in your travels you will have achievements that will give you a chance to celebrate. So you're going to be comfortable money wise, nothing to worry. I have kept these money cappuccins here for good luck for all of you. These are Reiki charged and they really do boost your energy, financial energy. So let's see what guidance is coming to you from the universe. We have take time to breathe out. So Pisceans, don't get so caught up in your travels and your work that you don't relax and don't take time out for yourself. Take time to breathe out. Don't get so overwhelmed with your work and all the other duties that you need to fulfill. Don't worry, you will gain success. You will get a chance to celebrate. It will happen in due time. So just relax, and when we relax, we breathe out, we meditate. It's not a waste of time where we can do work. It helps us become more focused and it helps us become more centered and grounded, and then we can work better. It always improves your quality of work. It always improves your output. So in fact, if you go to see, it's a good return on investment, meditating. Yeah, good ROI. So do take time to breathe out and relax and meditate. So Pisceans, that is your reading. I hope you liked it. If you did, do like, share and subscribe. And thank you for being here. So the next sign we have is Aquarius. Welcome Aquarians to my reading. Let us see what should be your focus for the next 3 months. Let's see what should be your focus for the next 3 months for Aquarius. What should be the focus for Aquarius for the next 3 months? You have spiritual teacher. So I feel that somewhere you are going through some emotional or spiritual challenges, and you need to seek out a spiritual teacher who may guide you in the right direction, who may show you your path. You seem to be confused somewhere. Maybe you're confused about which direction to take, whether you want to leave a job or keep it, or start a business or not start it. It could be any other confusion or change that you're looking forward to in your life, and you may be at a crossroad. You don't know what to do, so you should seek a spiritual teacher. You can either listen to YouTube. There is so much on YouTube, or you can read some nice books also, or you can find someone in person and take some guidance. Somewhere when we uplift our spiritual energy, when we increase our vibration, end of the day it brings abundance to us. So it is not, as I always say, invest in yourself more than you invest in your work or finding money. The money will come. You just need to uplift your vibration to abundance, to the vibration of abundance. If you are operating out of a vibration of lack, you will always find lack in your life. You will not reach that height of abundance. You will never be satisfied and content. So it is very important to first be spiritually abundant. Then material abundance will automatically follow. Trust me. Okay, let's see how will your work or job turn out in the next 3 months. How will your work or job turn out in the next 3 months? You have the 5 of Wands, and I was saying that maybe you are having some contradictions or competitions or some challenges in your life. So yes, you may be challenged in many ways. You may have a lot of competition and lot of fights, mental, emotional challenges in your work. There may be some competition you may face, or there may be someone may accuse you of something, or then someone may attack you for something, or some unpleasant situation may happen, and that's why it's very important that you seek a spiritual teacher so that you can remain grounded and peaceful in all this, and you can focus on your work rather than getting distracted by any negative elements, negative people or negative situations around you. That's why it's so wonderful how the universe guides us, right? It knows exactly what we need. How will you be money wise in the next 3 months? Okay, we have the 5 of Pentacles. Aquarians, I feel the next 3 months are going to be very challenging for you, because this is a card of being left out in the cold, not having much, or feeling at least left out in the cold, and not feeling abundant, not feeling secure. because you see the pentacles are inside the window and they are outside in the cold. So somewhere you may feel left out in the cold, not having anything for yourself, not having enough money, not having enough abundance. You may feel left out by the people whom you trusted, or you may feel your friends or family have abandoned you. You may have that feeling of insecurity. These are two fives here. So 5 is also a number of change. It is the number of Mercury. You may be going through a very challenging change in your time, but at this time it's very important for you to be spiritually connected and focus on your spirituality rather than getting pulled into this negative energy of challenges. And we all go through ups and downs. At that time it's very important to keep our mind and our thoughts positive, our vibration positive, because we can easily get sucked up into that negative and become depressive and feel hopeless and heartless and feel very depressed. So it's better at that time to have a spiritual teacher around you who will uplift you, show you the path, show you the right guide, give you the right guidance, and bring you out of the situation. Let's see what guidance the universe wants to give you at this time. You have nothing will come of this situation. This can be read in many ways, this card. So it may be that you may be fighting for something which end of the day won't matter in the bigger picture. Or you may feel that you have lost something which will not matter in. So there will be nothing that you will lose. People may fight with you, people may try to rob you, but they can't. Nothing will come of that situation. They will not get anything. Or it could be you're fighting for something, you are challenging people for something, you are trying to get something out of someone, and nothing will come out of this situation. Don't waste your energy and time on things that will just add negativity to your life and not take you anywhere end of the day. It's very important for you to choose your battles, Aquarians. Don't get into situations that will leave you in this way. So those were your readings for you, Aquarians. All the best to you. I know it's a very challenging reading for you, but you can always contact me for any spiritual guidance. I'm here for you. Thank you and take care. So the next sign that we have here is Taurus. This is so cute, isn't it? I love these. They're very cute. So Taurians, let us see what should be your focus for the next 3 months. What should be your focus on in the next 3 months? You have freedom. Wow. So Taurians, yes, you are the most close to the earth sign among all the zodiac signs. Taurus is all about the material world. It's an earth sign and it's a very grounded, very down to earth, very focused on the material world, very focused on building your money, on building your growth, on bringing positivity into your life. And Taurians are mostly focused on material achievements, material gains, material growth. That is mostly the focus. So somewhere the universe is asking you to get free from that. Stop binding yourself to your material things, to your house, cars, money, office, whatever thing that is binding you. Focus more on freedom from all that. These are all temporary things. They are going to just remain here. They will not go with you. Detach from all these things. Focus more on freedom, how you can get free. So maybe you're in an oppressive job and your boss harasses you and you want to get out of it, but you're scared. So you're getting the green signal to go free. Leave that job, start your own venture. If you're planning and you're scared to start your own venture, this is the time. Go for it. Or get free of debt, get free of anything else that is blocking you. So this is a good time to focus on how you can get free from the things that are tying you down. That is what you should focus on. Okay, let's see how you will be, your work or job growth, how will it be in the next 3 months. Wow, you have the Tower, which is a major arcana card. I guess that's why you're getting the freedom card, because there will be a Tower moment. Maybe you wanted to leave a job, you're not leaving, and now you asked to leave. Maybe there's a layoff at your office, or maybe you have to shut down your office and move to a different place. You may have to change your jobs, you may have to change your location. Maybe some drastic change is going to come into your life, but that will set you free. Remember that. It's not a bad change. Change is never bad. It's always good. It just puts us on the right path. So don't take it as negative or positive. Change is just change. It just puts you on the right path, on your destiny. It will always bring you where you have to go. So don't thinking. Sometimes we feel we should have not left the job, or if we lose our job, we feel very sad. But end of the day, it is just the universe directing you into a newer, better place. Maybe you will start your business that will be much better, or you will decide to just wind up and travel, which is another good thing. You'll become a blogger. You may decide to get another better job that is more conducive to you, better pay, better work. So never take anything that happens, it's always for your own good. Remember that. So how will you be money wise? You have the Hierophant. So the Hierophant is a spiritual teacher who's taken care of, who's wearing a crown, who has people in attendance, who is in a very powerful position. So I feel money wise this card will be good for you. You have both major cards here. So money wise some very important change will come, which will also help you change your beliefs. Maybe you thought this was the only job you'll have, and then you get laid off, and then you find a better, more higher paying job. Something like that will happen. So the change that will come into your life will set you free from a very toxic situation or negative situation and put you in a very positive situation, because the Hierophant is about positivity. It's about higher beliefs, being connected to the divine, being more connected to a belief system. So maybe you will join something that will be more religious, or maybe more matching your integrity, matching your thought process, matching your belief systems. It will be a good thing for you. So let's see what guidance the universe wants to give you in this situation. Okay, we have luck is on your side. So see, that's what exactly I was trying to tell you. You may feel something bad is happening, but the universe is supporting you. Keep your beliefs positive and you will find the right path, because luck is on your side. So good things will happen to you. Don't take the change as negative. It will be a positive change. It will bring something good into your life. You will maybe be able to achieve something more and better than what you will leave behind. So I hope this reading resonated with you, Taurians. All the best for your change. Be brave, be strong, be positive. Thank you. Bye-bye. The next sign we have is one more earth sign, Virgo. So Virgos, welcome to my channel. Welcome to the reading. Let us see how your career and money will be for the next 3 months. So the first card will be what should be your focus for the next 3 months. You have writing. So somewhere maybe you need to focus on writing, maybe writing a blog, writing your thoughts. Maybe you should write a book, or write your memories, or write about your work. Maybe if you have to keep journals or you have to keep accounts, then complete your writing work. So focus on writing. Or you may be getting some good ideas and you think, no, this is nothing, I'm being stupid, this cannot happen, this is not possible. But write it down. Maybe sometime in the future you may decide to do it. So whatever thoughts, guidance, or anything else that you're getting, write it in a book. Journaling, this is about journaling. Whatever is coming to you, maybe you decide to start a book, or you decide to start a blog, maybe write some good articles in newspapers or on the internet. Start writing, focus on it. Any sort of writing. Let's see how will your work or job growth turn out in the next 3 months. You have the Emperor, which is a major arcana card. The Emperor card is all about being in control, having everything in the reins in your hand. So you will be in a very strong position. You will have everything in control. You will be the master of your work wherever you are or whatever you are doing. You will be in a very commanding position at a high job, and you will get back the reins of whatever you are doing. So you will rule your kingdom. No worries for you, Virgo. You will be top of the game. Let's see money wise how the next 3 months are going to be for you. Wow, we have Justice, another major. The previous sign I did was Taurus. They also got 2 major cards, and now you also have 2 major cards. So I guess some major changes will happen in the next 3 months for you. This is a Justice card. So what is fair will be done. There will be a balance in what you do. Workplace, maybe if there's some disbalance in your workplace, things are not going right, or there was some lack of something, everything will come in balance. People have been doing wrong to you, they will receive their karma and justice will be established. Or if you have been doing wrong, If that's the case, then you will also have to pay your karmas and justice will get established. There may be balance in the relationships in your office. Maybe you are not getting along with your team or your colleagues, or there was some problem, or there was some irritation or some conflict. That will all get resolved and balance will be restored. All in all, it will be good for you. In the next 3 months are going to be good for you. Seeing these two cards together, I feel more like people who have been trying to harm you or do wrong to you, they will face their karma and you will be crowned the emperor and you will receive justice for what is not been done to you or given to you. You will get it now. Justice will be restored for you. Okay, let's see what guidance the universe is giving you for the next 3 months. Okay, a win-win outcome is forecast. So you're going to be a winner. You're going to be crowned the emperor. I already said that, Virgo. So no worries. You're going to win in this battle. So keep your standards high. Keep writing. Keep moving forward, and justice, you will win in this situation. Alright, I hope you liked your reading, Virgo. If you did, do like, share and subscribe, and thank you for being here. Bye. The next sign we have is Aries, my sign. Welcome to my channel, Arians, and welcome to the reading. Let us see what should be your focus in the next 3 months. Let's see what should be the focus in the next 3 months. Yes, my sun sign is also Aries. Wow, you are on the right path. So Arians, whatever path you're taking, whatever you're doing currently, you are on the right path. You are doing the right thing. So don't worry, you don't need to do anything extra. You don't need to make any changes. Whatever you're doing is perfect. You are rising, you are ascending, you are moving up towards light. Look how there's so much purple, which is a lot of spiritual energy, a lot of crown chakra energy, and she's moving up towards the light. So yes, we are rising up towards light, we are moving towards ascension. So just keep following your path, keep going. So how will your work and job growth turn out in the next 3 months? The World, wow, again major, there are a lot of major arcana cards coming out in this reading. So there will be an end of cycle, a completion of something, an integration. You will mastery in something, you will complete a cycle. So maybe you have been working on growth. If you're a healer like me, or a Tao seed or light worker like me who is working on our ascensions, while we are helping others, we are also working on our own ascension and our own growth. So maybe we will complete the next cycle of growth, and we have been going through a lot of ascension in the last few months with all the retrogrades. So we are completing a cycle of growth. We'll be completing, or in work wise, we will complete one phase of our work and we will move to the next. Maybe we have completed some part of the work that we have been working on currently, and it's now time to change and move in a different direction. Let us see how it will be money wise for us the next 3 months. We have the Moon, again major arcana cards. All these cards, I'm pulling out 2 cards and we are getting major cards. Wow. So there may be some confusion about money. There may be something that is hidden from you, that has been kept from you, that you are not getting, or you have been wanting something which is not coming forward at the moment. There may be some confusion. It's not that you will not have money, you will have enough, but you will be scared for something. You may not know, because you are ending a cycle and you have to begin anew naturally. So there may be some confusion regarding which direction to go. What should I do? This is over and that is not yet begun. So you will be in the middle phase in the next 3 months is what I'm getting. So somewhere you may be plagued by confusion and illusion of what should I do? Which direction should I take? I don't know where I'm going, what to do. You may go through these moments of confusion. But remember that you are on the right path. So you don't need to feel confused. The universe will keep guiding you. Take one step at a time, one day at a time. Don't worry if you can't see the future. Don't worry if you can't see what is going to happen in the next 6 months or the next 1 year. Just focus on each day and move forward, and you will keep going in the right direction. Things will be open to you when the right time comes. So let's see what guidance the universe wants to give you at this time. Work through your fears. So I guess this Moon is also talking about some fears that you have about launching your second cycle. You have completed one, you know you need to move in a different direction, but you are scared to move, you are scared to take that step. You are still fearing something. You are fearing how to move forward, how to say the particular thing, how to take the step. Will I fail? Will I be successful? Will I be able to achieve what I want to achieve? So don't worry, you need to work through your fears. So go within, face your fears, deal with them. Once you have cleared your fears, the path will become clear. You will know where to move forward. You are on the right path, don't worry. So Arians, I hope you like this reading. If you did, do like, share and subscribe. And thank you for being here. Bye bye. Zodiac sign we have is Sagittarius. How cute is she with the bow and arrow? Okay. So Sagittarians, welcome to my channel. Welcome to this reading. Thank you for being here. Let's see what should be your focus in the next 3 months. You have practice. So there may have been something that you have been working on, some new talent, some new skill, a new project, a new job. So the universe is asking you to keep practicing, don't give up. I know sometimes it becomes difficult and sometimes we learn something new and then we can't do it so well and we get disheartened, we feel we are not good, we can't do anything and we want to give up on it. But the universe is saying no, don't give up. Practice will make you perfect. So keep practicing, keep doing it, keep repeating it. And the more you practice, the more perfection you will get in your life, the more success that will come to you. So polish your skills by practicing regularly. Don't give up. So let's see how will your work or job growth turn out in the next 3 months. Wow. You have the Emperor. I think Taurus also got Emperor. You will be in command. You will get your reins back. You will feel that the more you practice, the more you are getting things under control. You will be able to take the reins of your work or whatever you're doing in your hands. You will be a master at it. You will be in command of it. You will be the best at it. That's why you're the Emperor, right? You're the best. And you have the Knight of Wands, which is the Sagittarius card. So you will be in your element in the next 3 months. You will come back to your element. Sagittarius is going through a lot of challenges because of Jupiter retrograde in their own house. So now Jupiter is direct in your own house. So you will feel as if you're coming back to your original. You had lost yourself somewhere in the last few years. Now you will feel that you're coming back to your original. You are gaining your strength back and you will get your essence, your fire back inside you. This is a fire card, person with fire energy. So you'll get your fire back, you'll get your passion back to move forward. This is also a card for traveling. So you may travel in the next 3 months. You may have to do something regarding travel, maybe for work or for some other this. You may have to travel a lot for your work, for a project or for your job. And you will get the fire and passion back into you. You will enjoy your work. You will be in full control of your authority and you will be in control of your work, your talents, your skills. You will get sharper and sharper. You will be able to command respect and you will be able to command the people under you, the people who are working for you. You will be in a very, very strong position for the next 3 months. Let's see what guidance the universe is offering you, Sagittarians. A personal issue reaches resolution. So if you have had some problem in a personal issue, maybe some personal choices that you had to make, or in your job you were not feeling very happy, or you were having problems with your colleagues, or you were having problems with your boss, or problem with your team or people who are working under you, I feel all these personal issues will get resolved within the next 3 months and you will be in a very much stronger position, very commanding position, a very controlling position, and you will be the boss. You will have everything in control in the next 3 months. So wow, Sagittarians, good reading for you. I hope you liked it. If you did, do like, share, subscribe, and thank you for being on my channel. Bye bye, take care. Next zodiac sign we have is Gemini. Welcome to my channel, Geminis. Welcome to this reading. Let's see what your focus should be for the next 3 months. What should your focus be in the next 3 months? We have teaching. So somewhere I feel, Geminis, you will need to teach people who are under you or around you. Maybe you're a teacher and you will focus on teaching You may take some online classes or seminars or workshops, or you may teach the people under you in whatever field you are. Somewhere I feel if you have not been doing a lot of teaching, you should focus more on teaching your skills to others, teaching what you already know to others, and that will help you grow. That will help you in the next 3 months. Share what you know, share your knowledge. Okay, let's see how will your work and job growth turn out in the next 3 months. You have the King of Swords. So the King of Swords is a very commanding king. He's very logical, and actually he's an air sign, and Gemini, you are an air sign. So you will be in your element, you will be in full control of what you want to do. You will be in command, you will reign with a very sharp whip, very logically, very authoritarianly. Because the King of Swords is a very cold-hearted person. He's not warm, he's not going to mingle with people. He's just going to very bluntly speak the truth on the face, and he will cut people off if he doesn't like them. He will say things, he'll call a spade a spade. So maybe you will be in that energy in the next 3 months, or there may be someone around you also. You may face someone who's the King of Swords in your life or in your workplace. That will be important to you. Let's see what the second card says. How will you be money wise? King of Wands. Wow. So you have two kings here. Surprising. First time in this reading I've got two kings together. Wow. So now this is a cold king and this is a very warm king. He's the King of Fire. Wands is fire energy. Aries, Leo, Sag. And this is Swords, air energy. Gemini, Libra and Aquarius. So there may be either these signs that will be important to you for the next 3 months. Someone of this type, there may be two people who would come into your life, who would influence your life for the next 3 months. Or it could be that you will be in a very king position, you will be in a very commanding position, you will have everything in your control. You will be able to move forward in your life as you want. You'll have a very tight rein to your kingdom. You will get your work done. You will be very authoritarian. You will rule your little kingdom or whatever, your work, your business, and have full control of it. But I feel here the universe is telling you to focus more on teaching. Don't be cold and authoritarian. Rather try to teach the younger people how to do the work or how to be successful. Whatever work you have, it will differ for each person, but teach them how to reach that position. Teach them how to do it, because they may not know it and then you may get angry and be the King of Swords. Rather teach them so that they are capable, and make them capable to fulfill your wishes and your work and your projects. So focus more on teaching than on commanding is what I'm getting from these cards. Okay, so what is the guidance that is coming to you from the universe? We have surrender to the divine. Now what I'm getting from these 4 cards here is, maybe you are in a very authoritarian role. You're the owner of a business, or you're the CEO, or at a very commanding position in your company, and you try to get people to work and complete your project on time, etc., etc. And when the people don't work up to you, you get angry and you fire them, or you just throw them out of the team or whatever. So the universe is asking you to be very patient, kind, and teach them, mold them, be their mentor rather than their boss, and mentor them to the right way, and surrender to the divine. Don't worry about your project, it will turn out perfect. If whatever you are working on, it will turn out project. Surrender to the divine. Don't work out of fears, or oh, I have to complete this project, oh, this is not getting done and my company will go in loss and I will not get enough money if I don't make these people work 18 hours, or whatever fears may be driving you at this time. Don't let them drive you. Surrender to the divine and do the right thing. Be kind to people around you. Be good to them. So these are the messages I'm getting for you, Gemini. I hope they resonate with you. If they do like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you once again. Bye-bye. Next sign we have is Leo. Welcome to my reading, Leo. I hope you are doing well. So let's see how your career and money will be for the next 3 months. What should be your focus for the next 3 months? You have protected. What I'm getting from this is that the universe is protecting you. You may feel that things are difficult and how will I manage, how will I do what I need to do, how will my money be, how will my job be, how will my business be. But the universe is saying to you that you are protected, the angels are protecting you. So don't worry about your career, don't worry. If you're going to change your career, it says you are safe and supported while you are changing your career. So if you're planning to change your job or your career or your business, don't worry, you are protected and the universe will take care of your well-being. And don't worry, you will have enough to sustain. How will your work and job growth turn out in the next 3 months? You have the Ace of Wands. So this is a card of new beginnings and it is saying that you are changing your career. So maybe some of you Leos are changing your career or starting a new project or are starting a new job, a new business or a new venture. So don't worry, the new start is good for you. It is a universe is protecting you, universe is offering you growth. This is a card of immense growth, new beginnings, abundance will come to you. You are protected, don't worry, Leos. So let's see how you will be money wise for the next 3 months. Wow, you have the Sun, your own card. So the Sun is the Lord of Leo and you have the Sun here, which is a major card. So everything will be perfect. It is a card of total abundance, happiness. See how many flowers are growing here. So of rejoicing, of achieving whatever you want to achieve and being successful, being abundant. So things will go in for you. You are protected and everything will turn out perfect for you, Leo. It's a very good 3 months for you. You will be successful and things are going to be very good for you. Wow, Leos, do mention in the comments if something nice comes up. I would love to hear whether this resonates. So what is the guidance for you? You have, it's time to take action. Wow. So let all those fears go. You are protected. Take the action. It's time to get out and do what you want to do. Start that new, take that new step, take the new beginning and you will be successful. So nothing to worry, Leo. The universe is protecting you. The time has come for you now. The planets are moving forward. So you also should move forward in your life. Take the new step, start the new project and let us know in the comments. So I hope this reading resonated with you, Leo. If it did, do like, share and subscribe and I would love to hear how this success is coming for you. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye. Next sign we have is Libra. So welcome to your reading, Librans. I hope you are doing well. Let's see how your career and money turn out for the next 3 months. What should be your focus in the next 3 months? We have artist. Engage in artistic activities. It will be beneficial to your career and every other area of your life. So I feel some of you are artists and you should focus more on artistic activities. And even if you're not an artist, maybe you should focus more on artistic pursuit. If you have a hobby of painting, if you like painting, writing, sculpting or any other stitching, knitting, any artistic thing, do it. And the more you do it, the more it will benefit your career, the more it will relax you, help you focus. It grounds you. When we paint, when we sing, dance, it grounds our energy. It makes us more focused. The mind becomes more alert. It makes us more grounded and more clear-minded and more relaxed. And that will help us always work better. So pursue your artistic skills. It's like meditation. Gives you the benefit of meditation. So let's see how will your growth turn out in the next 3 months work-wise. You have the High Priestess. Wow, that's a major card. So growth wise, I feel you should trust your intuition. You should do the things that you are guided to do. You have all the knowledge within you. You know what is right and wrong. You know whom to trust, whom not to trust. You know what project you should take and not take, what job, what activity you should do and not do. So focus on that, go more within is what the universe wants you to do, and that will take you in the right path towards abundance. She has a lot of abundance around her. So don't worry about the abundance, you will get it. But trust your intuition. And I feel if you focus more on painting, writing, dancing, it helps to focus you and ground you and brings you more in touch with your own intuition. So let us see how it will be for you money wise. We have Eight of Pentacles. So money wise, I think you will do a lot of hard work in the next 3 months, but you are becoming more and more smarter, you are becoming more and more perfect in your job, and you have a lot of pentacles here. So you're going to be very safe money wise. You have enough pentacles with you, and you are quite good at your work also. You are quite accomplished in your work, you are reaching mastery. Yeah, you are very focused on your work, and that will take you towards success. Don't worry, you will have enough money in the next 3 months. So let's see what guidance the universe wants to give you. You have a personal issue reaches resolution. So somewhere there's some personal issue at work with your boss, with your job. I think Sagittarius also good. A personal issue reaches resolution. You may be having some issue with your boss or with someone around you that may have caused problem or conflict in your life. That's why the universe is asking you to ground yourself, focus on artistic pursuits, and trust your intuition and work hard. Just keep your focus on your work. Don't get distracted here and there by anything else around you, the negative energy around you, the negative people around you, or anybody else who is trying to cause distortion in your life or is trying to cause negativity in your life. Just keep away from that and just focus on your work. That's it, and it will reach resolution. So I hope these messages resonated for you, Libra. If they did, do like, share, subscribe, and I would love to hear your comments. Thank you. Take care. Next sign we have is Scorpio. Welcome to the channel and the reading, Scorpions. Let's see how your career and money will turn out for the next 3 months. Let's see what your focus should be for the next 3 months. What should be your focus for the next 3 months? You have leadership. Wow. Take charge of this situation. So where have you given up your power? Where are you not being the leader? Where have you allowed others to push you around? So it's time for you to take charge of your situation and become the leader. Take things where they need to go. Don't let people take advantage of you. Don't let people push you in any direction that you don't want to go. Keep your focus, keep your command, take your authority back, take your power back. Be the leader. It could also be that you will be given a leadership job if you are not already in one, or you may get promoted and get a higher post that will make you a leader and you will have people under you. That could also be possible. So let's see how your work and job growth will be in the next 3 months. Yes, I just said it, and you have the 6 of Wands. So you will be recognized, you will get victory, you will receive success. So you may get a leadership post, you may get promoted, you may get a higher position, and it will be very good for you, Scorpio. So let's see money wise what it will be for you. You have the 8 of Wands. So yes, you may have to travel a lot for this job. You have both wands, which are both fire energy. So there is a lot of passion, there is a lot of change happening. It may happen very quickly. You may very quickly either get a new job in a higher position, or you may get promoted in your own job. You may have to move to take that promotion. You may have to move to a different place. You may have to travel to a different place for a higher, better job or work or business, or get a bigger client or something like that, depending on your own work. So something may happen very quickly, very fast. You may have to travel for it, because both these cards are about traveling. So you may have to travel for it. You may have to move to a distance for it, or that is also possible. You may have to change cities or states or even countries. That is also possible. But it will be a successful leadership role that you will get. It will be good for you, successful for you, money wise, satisfaction wise. It will be very good for you. You will be in a very commanding position. So let's see what guidance the universe wants to offer you. Your hard work is paying off. How beautiful is that? So you have put in a lot of hard work. I know people just see your success. They don't see the hard work that goes behind it. So you have been working very hard for the last few months, years maybe, and now you will get paid for that. You will achieve and receive the success that you were working towards. You will gain whatever you were working on, the project or the job or the promotion, whatever you have been working hard on, you will achieve that in the next 3 months, Scorpio. Wow, congratulations, Scorpio. All the best to you. And I would really, really love to hear if something like this happens in your life. Do comment and let me know. And all the best to you. Thank you, Scorpios. Take care. Bye bye. Last but not the least, Capricorn. Welcome to my channel, Capricorns, and welcome to this reading. This is your career and money reading for the next 3 months. We will start with what should be your focus for the next 3 months. What should be your focus for the next 3 months? So you are on the right path, and even Aries had got this card. Keep doing whatever you're doing because it's working. So Capricorns, whatever you're doing, keep doing it. You're on the right path. You are growing. This is all crown chakra energy, violet color. You are rising above. Look at how this person is flying up in the air, in the clouds, moving towards the light. And they are awakening. The light is shining in their crown chakra. So you are ascending, you are rising, you are growing. In spiritual knowledge as well as in the material world, you are growing. So keep doing what you're doing. You are on the right path. You are going in the right direction. You don't need to change anything. You don't need to do anything extra. Just keep doing what you're doing, Capricorn. Let's see how your work and job growth will turn out in the next 3 months. You have the 5 of Cups. So I think you will be focusing on what you are losing or what you have lost in the last few months. I know we all have been in lockdown. Work has been difficult for most people during this lockdown. A lot of people have lost a lot of things. But the lesson here is to focus on these 2 cups which are still there, what you have. So don't focus on what you have lost. Focus on what you have gained in the last few months. Still what you have. Maybe you have lost 3 cups, but you still have 2 cups. There are people who don't even have those 2 cups. So be thankful for that and focus on that. That is what you need to pay attention to. That's it. Don't focus on the negative. How will the 3 months be money-wise? You have the Hermit card, which is a major card. Both these cards, if you see, they look very similar, these 2 people. They are both looking down. They are both looking sad. They are both looking inwards. I feel, Capricorn, it's time for you in the next 3 months. You will go inwards. You are looking at yourself all over again. Maybe this lockdown has made you go more inside spiritually. Maybe it has made you look at your life, what you are gaining, what you're losing, what is meaningful, what is not meaningful. You are looking at your life very differently now. Maybe you have been focusing more on material world and now you realize that you may have gained materially but you lost your peace of mind, you lost contentment, you lost your family, your friends or whatever, and you're all alone now. So you're going within and you're trying to find out why your life has been how it is, why your work is as it is. Whether I really want to do this job or I don't want to do this job. Should I start my new job or not? Should I start my new business or not? Should I take up this project or not? So you are doing a lot of soul searching in the next 3 months. You're going to go deep within yourself to find out what you truly, really want in life, what work you want to do, what action you want to take, what job you want to do, what business you want to do. You're going to go within and do a lot of introspection in the next 3 months regarding your work. Capricorns, I feel your energy is more of going within than taking action outside, and you are on the right path. So the universe wants you to go within and find out your true passion. Maybe you're in a job that is not suiting your personality, that you never wanted in the first place. You're stuck there out of contract or something and that is not making you happy. And now you are ready to make that change. You want to find out what you really want in life, what exactly you want to do. And you're going within to find your true passion and life purpose, which is a good thing. So let's see what guidance the universe wants to give you. The end of a rough cycle approaches. Wow, a tough cycle. So you have gone through a tough time, Capricorns. You have lost a lot in your life. You have learned very hard lessons, very difficult lessons. You have worked very hard. Now you're going within to see what you have gained, what is worth it, what is not worth it, what you want in your life, what you don't want in your life, what you want to keep, what you want to let go. You're doing all this and the universe wants you to do it. You will rise and grow. The more we know ourselves, it will help us to achieve what we want. It's very important to be on your soul path, your life path, and that's what you are trying to find out. And you have been through some rough patches, because seeing yourself and healing yourself is not an easy task. Trust me, it's a very, very tricky process and it's a very, very harsh process. It's a very, very murky process. Yes, so much that comes up for purging and release, and it's not easy. So I know what you may be going through, but you are on the right path, and this cycle is reaching completion very soon. So don't worry about it. This tough phase will get over, and then you will be ascending towards light. You will know your true path. You will follow your life purpose, and a new happy phase will come forward for you. So all the best through these difficulties to you, Capricorn. If there's any problem, please feel free to call me or connect with me. If I can help you in any way, I would be glad to do that. So I hope this reading resonated with you. If it did, do like, share and subscribe, and thank you for being here. Bye bye.